Hi, it's Amanda the Nail Polish Hound, and today I'm opening a parcel that I got from the lovely Nika of Nika's Naughty Nails, who I met up with earlier this week. She was kind enough to give me this parcel. Actually loved the box as it is. I love these Manny and Lola boxes. But she's been saving up a few things for me, and I've been doing the same for her, and we exchanged parcels when we met this week. So in this video I'm going to be opening this lovely box from Nika and looking forward to seeing what is inside. It's been killing me not to open this until I got home from my holiday, but I've been good and I haven't sneaked any peeks at all, so this will be a surprise for me as well. So here we go, beautifully packed in this box, and lots of packing so that everything would be safe. So let's get this out of the way first of all. Right, so we have a lovely little key ring from Cornwall, which is really sweet. Little articulated legs and arms as well. This is so sweet. Lovely, thank you. Put him to one side. Where should I start first? Well, we have got some Trend It Up varnishes, which I will just show you quickly. These were actually sent to Nika by mistake by Anna, and Nika put them aside to pass on to me. So thank you to Anna for sending these, but also to Nika for putting them aside for me and passing them on. So that's those ones. Now on to the parcel, or on to the presents from Nika herself. So we've got some more to try. I don't know if I'm supposed to open these in any particular order. Let's have a look. Some more of wow, okay. So, oh goodness me, there's three in there. Look. These are Princess Nail Lacquer, and Nika knows how much I love these, and I didn't get any whilst they were still in business, and Nika's already given me a few of these and I really love them. So there's this green one called Fauna the Gift of Song with a darker green shimmer in it, if you can see that. Very pretty. Then we have this beautiful pink. I love this kind of pink. You can catch the holographic in that shimmer as well. And this one's called Flora the Gift of Beauty. And finally, this very pretty blue. It's got a bit of ugly bottle syndrome at the moment. It's going to need a shake up. But we've definitely got a gold shimmer in that blue. And it's called Merryweather True Love's Kiss. So they're ever so pretty. Okay, so I've already been spoilt. I hope Nika likes her parcel. Oh, there's a few more of the Trend It Up ones hiding away there in the corner. So these ones must be from Anna as well. Nika said that she actually wrapped the ones that were from her. And we have a musical plate, stamping plate, which from our conversation, Nika knows how appropriate this is, and particularly that one in the corner there. We've got a bass guitar. So yeah, I really like this one. I should be looking forward to doing some manicures with this. It's lovely. And not a plate I have, and I have a lot of stamping plates now. All right, so what should we go for next? There's no clue on this one. So, oh wow. An A England. I love my A England polishes. And this one is a beautiful looking silver called the Heart Desires. And I was only saying recently that I don't have many silver holographics, and this one looks like it's going to be beautiful. A England polishes normally are, yeah, look how opaque that is. I'm really going to look forward to that one. That is gorgeous. Thank you very much, Nika. I love it. Beautiful, thank you. Wow, okay. Another one without a label on. This is a sort of coral with a gold in it, maybe? This is really funny because, well, I won't say anything, yeah. Can't hear myself pink. I find it difficult to find corals that actually suit me. So I'll have to wear this until I know. It does have I'll have to wear it in order to know, is what I was trying to say. But it looks like it might be a bit more on the orangey pink side. And it looks like there's both silver and gold shimmer in there as well. The gold shimmer in particular. Very pretty. Wow, okay. And then we have a little Cornish pasty fridge magnet. That's very cute. Right, what next? I know that Nika's not been able to open her parcel for me yet, unless she's doing it as I'm opening this one. So I hope she likes what I put aside for her. Wow. Oh, that is pretty. Beautiful. This is a Masura. Looks like it's got gold and copper flakes in it. It's called Cleo. And yeah, that looks very pretty. Shall look forward to swatching that one. That looks gorgeous. Lovely. Nice neutral colour. A little bit of interest in it that I think I can probably just about get away with wearing to work. So that's beautiful. I do love Masura polishes. Only recently started getting any of them. Wow, okay. This looks Masura-ish as well, and it is. That is... I've just noticed on the other one, look. This one was made in collaboration with Sveta Sanders, and this one in collaboration with X-Light Nails, if you can see that. And this is very pretty. Very similar to one of the China Glaze polishes that we couldn't get. Was it Beaches and Toes? This looks a bit like that. I was really upset I couldn't get hold of that, but this looks like it might be a bit of a dupe. Nice neutral colour with a gold and holographic glitter in there, very finely milled by the looks of things. It's called Cinnamon Latte. Don't think I mentioned that. Yeah, that looks very pretty. Beautiful. Okay. Let's see what we've got here. Now I remember Nika mentioning, I think it was this polish. Yes, Take Your Breath Away. She mentioned this one and said that she was going to put it aside for someone, and she knows I like my Couturier polishes, and I love this kind of colour as well, so I'm really pleased to see this one in here. I expect it will be, yeah, nice and opaque. Cuccio's formulas are normally very good. So yeah, another one that I'm going to look forward to trying out. Thank you. Right, got some more notes on this one. Just because. Okay. Let's have a look. Wow. Isn't that pretty? Nika has recently started buying Emily de Molly polishes, and I have too. They are very pretty. It's a new brand to me. This is a lovely, looks like a foil effect with a multi-chrome in it. There's sort of gold shimmer there. If you look down the bottle, you can see sort of silver to gold over that purple base. It's called Limerick, if you can see that there. Beautiful. Lovely. Look at that. That looks stunning. So that's great. I love that. And I shall put that with my small number of Emily de Molly polishes that I have. I'm sure there will be more in the future as well. It is a beautiful brand. So that's that one. For my Dupe Detective series. Okay, so what is this? Yeah, I know what she's going for with this one. This is Hottie by Sinful Colours, and it looks very similar to Last Friday Night by OPI. I think I might have commented on that somewhere along the line. So yeah, this one will be awaiting a Dupe Detective comparison sometime soon. But it's a very pretty polish. Very pretty. Okay. So last but not least, we have a brand you need to try out. Okay, so this is something that I don't have any of. Wow, okay. Nika's been talking about these polished bottles, and they're so pretty. And I think you can really grasp the prettiness of that polish and get it into the light a bit more, maybe. Can you see that shift? There's sort of a blue-green shift in there, not really picking it up. I might have to put a still shot of this in the corner so you can see just how beautiful it is, because the light's not showing how gorgeous this is. It's looking a lot darker on camera than it is in real life. And this one is called Victoria, and handmade polish, naillacquer.co.uk. Very pretty, and a unique bottle. So Nika has been very good to me. Some stunning polishes, which I'm very pleased to call mine now. She's been incredibly generous. And Nika, it was lovely to meet you in person. Hopefully we will get to do it again sometime soon. So yeah, thank you so much for these, and thank you for meeting up with me this week. Had a lovely time, and I hope you like the polishes that I've left for you. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you in the next one.